Lahore High Court decision on maintenance of minors by grandfather. PLD 2012 Lahore 445. Section 5 and Schedule. Constitution of Pakistan, Article 199. Constitutional petition maintenance allowance for minors. Recovery of petitioner was grandfather of minors and he failed to prove maintenance allowance as fixed by family court. Plea raised by petitioner was that he was a pensioner having meager sources of income and was unable to pay maintenance to minors. By putting a person with 76 years of age behind the bars, the minors would not be adequately compensated with regard to their maintenance, comma, when grandfather was a pensioner and not in a position to maintain the minors, such was not enough to attend miseries of the minors. High Court observed that system of zakat could be linked up with family court to the extent if family court was was of the view that persons liable to pay maintenance were poor and those who should have to receive maintenance also fell under the clause of eligible persons entitled to receive zakat funds, then suitable directions to zakat and usher council be also issued. Family courts were also expected not to deal with delicate matters touching the rights of the people, particularly destitute ladies and needy minors. And instead of dealing with theirs such affairs in mechanically manners, there was a need to adopt new lines of action. To start with, creation of society which was dreamed of as social welfare state by putting persons behind the bars for non providing maintenance to deserving people. No service was being offered to such needy people, but their miseries were being added. High Court directed the authorities to register the minors as regular beneficiaries from district Baitul Mal petition was disposed of accordingly. For more vlogs on law, please watch videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks.